Okay, so now we are going to solve question number 2 of exercise 17.1. The statement of question number 2 is construct a triangle XYZ in which the side measurement of side ZX is given, which is 6.4 centimeter, and the second side, which is measurement of YZ, is also given, which is 2.4 centimeter, and an angle of 90 degrees also given, which is the measurement of an angle Y. So these three components of a triangle are given, so we have to construct a triangle of XYZ. So in solution, we will write the given measurement of side ZX is given, which is 6.4 centimeter, and the second side, which is measurement of YZ, is also given, which is 2.4 centimeter, and we have to, and the measurement of angle Y is also given, which is 90 degree. Now we have to construct a triangle XYZ. So we are going to construct a triangle XYZ with the given measurements. So first of all, we will draw a line segment which is YZ, which is 2.4 centimeter, because the angle of 90 degrees is given, which is at the point Y. So we will draw the side YZ in which the point Y is occurred. So first of all, we will draw the line 2.4 centimeter. So we'll draw these 2 points, 0 to 2.4. So we'll draw a line segment 2.4 and give it the name YZ, which is 2.4 centimeter. So we will draw an angle of 90 degree at point A. So by taking compass, we will draw an angle of 90 degree at point Y. So we will open our compass less than YZ, half of side YZ, and draw an arc which cut the YZ at this point. So we will place the compass at this point. With the same radius, we will draw the first arc is of 60 degree. Now we will place the compass at this point and draw another arc with the same radius. Now we will cut the arc at this point. Now we will open our compass with suitable and place at point 60 and draw an arc, and with the same radius draw at 120, and bisect 60 and 120 we will have the angle of 90 degree, which meets at this point. So we give it name P. Now we will join P and Y. So it is a required angle of 90 degree. Now we will take our compass and open the compass 6.4 centimeter. We will open our compass 6.4 centimeter and take Y as Z as a center. We will cut. We'll draw the ray. Now taking Z as a center, we will cut the now Y open the compass 6.4 centimeter radius and take Z as a center. We will place the compass at point Z and draw cut the YP at point Z X. We give this name X. Now we will join X and Z to complete our triangle. So by joining X to Z, we have constructed and we have our required triangle X, Y and Z. The side ZX is equal to 6.4 centimeter. So now we are going, so in this way you can construct a triangle with the given measurement. Now we are going to construct, write the steps of construction. So here we are going to write the steps of construction. The first point is take a line segment YZ YZ is equal to 2.4 centimeter. The second step is make an angle of 90 degree at point Y. Now the third step is take Z as a center. Take Z as center and draw an arc. Draw an arc of radius 6.4 centimeter, which cuts YP at X. The next step is join X to Z. So result is XYZ is the required triangle. So students, in this way you can draw and construct a given triangle with the help of given measurement of a triangle.